Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin. If you are new here, thank you for checking out this video. If you are a long-time subscriber, what's good? Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. This is super full coverage, super beads, super cake, whatever you want to call it. This is that. I haven't done a Valentine's Day look on my channel, I don't think, but I definitely wanted to get one done because I was super inspired. And I don't know why I'm like so excited for Valentine's Day and like seeing all this like pretty makeup looks and everything, so I wanted to do one myself. And I've done this look before. I haven't recorded or anything like that, but I've like worn it to work, and I wanted to recreate it again because it was so pretty and one of my favorite looks that I've done. So we're about to get right into this video, but if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that so you don't miss another upload, and let's get started. Alright, so we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to take my Karity All Matte palette and I'm going to take this orange shade and blend it into my crease. Next, I'm going to take this hot pink shade and I'm also going to blend this into my crease, just layering my colors. And these brushes that I'm using, this is a BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm also going to be using some Morphe brushes as well. Next, I'm also going to take this purple shade and I'm going to mainly focus this color on the outer corner of my eye and a little bit into my crease. And then I'm going to take my NYX eyeshadow base and cut my crease, and then I'm also going to use this peachy shade out of that Karity palette, and I'm going to pack this all over my lid. And then I'm going to go back in with that hot pink shade and just create a little bit more of like a gradient effect with my shadows towards the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to pack on some, well, not pack it on, but I'm going to put down some glitter glue all over this peachy shade. And then I'm going to take my J. LaRue Cosmetics white gold pigment that my boo Erin bought me, and I'm going to pack this all over that peachy shade. So now I'm just taking that hot pink shade again, just going back over that space, just creating that gradient. I have my lashes on, and my lashes are from the Lash Closet, and I also did add some liner as well. So now my foundation is the Dior Forever. I am in the shade 045. Now I'm going to take my Too Faced concealer, and I am in the color Sand. And yes, I told you guys that this was like a super beat look, so I'm literally going hand with my concealer like I always do. I really like a super bright highlight, so that's what you're gonna get. And then I'm gonna take my Hourglass foundation stick in the color Chestnut just to contour. And then I'm going to blend out this concealer. Now with this concealer, you literally only need a little bit. I should not have used this much, especially with this concealer, just because it spreads so much. So it took me a really long time to blend this out. And then I'm just going back in with my beauty blender that I use to blend my foundation, and just kind of like going around where I put my concealer. And then next I'm going to take my Maybelline Shine Free Loose powder just to set my under eye, forehead, bridge of my nose, and my chin. Guys, I rave about this setting powder all the time. Like, I literally put all my friends on it. It is so bomb. Oh my god, you guys have to try it. But this is like literally one of my favorites. I use two shades in this powder. I use a light right now, and then right now I'm going to go in with my medium shade, and I'm going to use this to set the rest of my face. so now I'm going to take my black Radiance contour kit, and I'm going to take the contour shade and the bronzer shade and mix them together just to bronze up my skin. And this is a Morphe powder brush that I'm using. And then I'm also going to carve out my cheekbones. I want a super strong, not strong, but like a really bomb contour. So lay that down, and then I'm gonna go in with my NARS blush in the color Sin. It's like a purple, like a light purple color. I'm gonna dust that powder away. And then I'm gonna use my Too Faced Hangover Primer spray all over, and then I'm going to add some highlight, and I'm going to be using, let me get there, I'm going to be using the Bobbie Brown and the Anastasia Amrezy highlight together. And then I'm going to go back and finish my eyes with that hot pink shade, and it's going to smudge that underneath my lash line. And for my last and final step, I'm going to take my Sephora lip stain in the color Always Red, and I'm going to apply this all over my lips. I absolutely love like this pink and red combo that I have going on. Like, I think it's so pretty. Alright, so that is the final look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.